guys, we are still going to look at another equation that says express the product of 0.21 and 0.34 in standard form. Let us see how we can change it to standard form. When they talk about standard form, is raising it to a power. So let's look at it this way. All right, we have our solution here. Now, 0.21 is the same thing as 2.1 times 10 raised to the power minus 1, because you are moving this decimal point one place forward. So you have minus 1. And 0.34 is the same thing as 3.4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1. And we are asked to find the products. So what it means that we are to find the multiple. When you multiply this by this, what do you have? So what we are going to have is 2.1 times 10 raised to the power minus 1 times 3.4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1. So what we are going to do now is we are going to multiply this by this to give us what we are looking for. So if we multiply 2.1 by 3.4, we are going to have 7.14 times. Now indices told us when multiplying quantities having the same base, you copy the base and you add the power. So we are going to have minus 1 plus minus 1. We copy the base and we add the indices, the powers. So here we are going to have 7.14 times minus 1 plus minus 1 is the same thing as minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 plus minus 1 is going to give us minus 2. So here we are going to have 10 raised to power minus 2 as our final answer. Let me have your view in the comment section.